I didn't see you there. I bet you came here to find out more about me because I'm lit. So a group of... Oh, it's my family here to visit. Well, this is my colony. And these are my ladies. It's really simple how a Tasmanian devil reproduces. We breed and mate in the months of March to May. When Tasmanian devils have babies, they are called joeys, pups, or imps. My lady here was pregnant for 21 weeks. That's how long a Tasmanian devil is supposed to be pregnant. A girl Tasmanian devil has 4 joeys in every litter. At 6 months, the joeys are old enough to go out on their own. After 2 years, the joeys are old enough to reproduce. Tasmanian devils usually live 5 to 8 years. I am 6 years old, so I am doing this documentary before I die so all the ladies can see how handsome I am. We Tasmanian devils tend to catch a deadly disease if we have a bad immune system. It's called the devil facial tumor disease. It causes tumors to form around the mouth and sometimes the eye, interfering with feeding and eventually leading to death by starvation. Oh, my brother died from this disease. But let me tell you a secret. I didn't like him anyway. The only part of my family that lives in this so-called place, America, is my sisters and my children. My sisters live in San Diego Zoo, and my children live in Fort Wayne's Children's Zoo. We Tasmanian devils are endangered. We might be extinct soon, like our cousins, the Tasmanian tiger. There's only 10,000 to 25,000 of us left in the wild. Earlier today, I was resting on the coast of Tasmania, but to be honest, I was waiting for a Tasmanian girl devil to show up in her bikini. Besides, the Tasmanian devils that live in America, the only other place Tasmanian devils live, are on the island of Tasmania. We Tasmanian devils are nocturnal, so we sleep during the day and are active during the night, but I never sleep because I'm a superhero. We Tasmanian devils like to live out in the open and eat out in the open. We Tasmanian devils usually eat birds, snakes, fish, and insects. We are carnivores. Often we feast on carrion and bunnies. How we eat? Let me show you a short video. And sometimes we tend to get tricked. This is how we eat. In our food chain, we are the carnivorous part of the food chain. Our producers are grass, then the next producer is fruit, then consumer mice, then another consumer snake, consumer 3 eagle, and consumer 4, the one on the top of the food chain, is the Tasmanian devil. We are on the top of our food chain because no other big animal lives in Tasmania. The top of our food chain used to be the Tasmanian tiger, but now it is us because the Tasmanian tiger went extinct. No one in the world knows the origin of the Tasmanian devil because it's a secret. But I will tell you how people started to find out about us. When two scientists came on a journey to study the island around Australia, they saw mysterious creatures, which was the Tasmanian devil. This is how we came to be and got our name, because we live in Tasmania and we're like the devil. Our anatomy is very simple. We have a thick body with a large head and short stumpy tail. We store fat in our tail, so if you see a Tasmanian devil with a skinny tail, that Tasmanian devil is probably not healthy. My tail is beautiful. That is why all the ladies love me. Our scientific class. You see me down there on the right corner? Okay, next point. Our kingdom is Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, infraclass Marsupialia, order Diceramomorphia, family Diceroidae, genus Sarcophilus, species Sarcophilus hericiensis. I guess that's all you have to know when it comes to Tasmanian devils. See you later, and call me. Oh, and by the way, Tasmanian devils do not spin. That's just a talent I have, because I'm awesomer and handsomer and lit. That's all you had to know about the Tasmanian devil.